Hi, my name is Megha and I'm a product marketer at Cashfree. Today we are going to discuss how you can add PayPal to your Cashfree checkout and accept international payments in over 26 plus currencies. And we'll also look at the integration steps so that you can do it yourself. With Cashfree Payment Gateway integrated with your website, you can accept payments by 100 plus payment modes, including net banking, debit card, credit card, wallet, and newer payment modes like cardless EMI and pay later options like Ola Money Postpaid. In addition to domestic payment modes, Cashfree also offers international modes such as PayPal, international cards, Amex, Diners Card, etc. One of the most popular international payment modes is PayPal, and here's why businesses prefer PayPal. Single account for payments across more than 200 countries. Yes, with PayPal integrated with your payment gateway, you can accept payments across more than 200 countries with a single account. More than 26 different currencies supported. With PayPal, all the major currencies are supported. That means your customer can pay in the currency they want and you can save them from the hassle of currency conversion. Seller and buyer protection. PayPal offers you seller protection that includes 24/7 real-time fraud intelligence. For your customers, it offers them buyer protection so that they can pay on your website with confidence. We are happy to share that Cashfree is integrated directly with PayPal. While activation of other payment modes may involve bank approval and can be a time-consuming process, if you have an existing PayPal account, you can integrate it with Cashfree and start accepting international payments from day one. But what about the transaction charges or the MDR? When you integrate PayPal with Cashfree, you pay only the standard PayPal payment gateway charges. Yes, Cashfree doesn't charge you anything extra. Now let's see the steps how you can integrate PayPal on your Cashfree checkout page. So I am on Cashfree website. If you are not an existing user, you can sign up here. First, I am going to sign in into my Cashfree account. To activate PayPal on your checkout page, go to Payment Gateway and click here. On the right hand side panel, you can see PayPal. Click on Account. Now click on Connect with PayPal. Here, enter your PayPal credentials and click on Login. Read the terms and click on Agree. So your PayPal account has been successfully connected with Cashfree. Now click on Close. Reload the page and you will see PayPal account as active. Here, you can set your default currency. I am setting Canadian dollar as my default currency here. Here, you can also select your active currency. Select the currency from the list and click on Activate. To verify if PayPal is showing on your Cashfree checkout page, you can go to Orders. Here, click on View Orders. Here, you can see all the active payment modes. You can also see PayPal showing here as a payment mode. Since we chose Canadian dollar as our default option, it is showing here. Your customer will have the option to select any of the currencies from here. To add more currencies under PayPal, or if you have any more queries regarding PayPal integration, please reach out to us at techsupport@cashfree.com. We hope you found the video useful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.